I went looking for the baby 3 Werebears. I actually had one of the original Werebears when I was a child. I had the blue and yellow one. I think it was called Fang. So I think that's the closest to the one that I used to have, which is the whole reason I went looking for these, to be honest. But I think they all look really cute. I just would really like one with angry eyes, like special eyes. Okay. Well, I've just seen the card, but look, it's the one I wanted. It's the little blue one. He is called Tri-Growl. So we've got to have a look and see what eyes he's got. I might have to open it like this so I don't ruin. Oh, I've ruined it anyway. These have nice eyes. Oh, look. Oh my God, please, please, please. Oh, I think he's got nice eyes. Oh my God, literally on the first box, I think I've got what I wanted. Let's pull his head back. Oh my God. Okay, so you have to fold it over. Oh my God, look. Oh my God, I love him. I literally got the eyes that I wanted and the bear that I wanted in the first pull, so I don't even have to open the others now. Oh, Fang Trinity. Oh, he's got a tummy. Ooh. There we go. Boba eyes, but with a dummy. This one is Grizzler Triforce. And this one is just Boba eyes. The last one is Snarl Baby. Oh. Ta-da. And it's another Boba eyes. Oh. So there we go.